Hello, and welcome to a learning resource from Language Academy University Technology Malaysia. In this video, we'll explore the concept of spatial literacy and why it's important to understand the space around us. First, let's define spatial literacy. It refers to the ability to understand, interpret, and communicate information about the physical world around us. These includes everything from maps and diagrams to the layout of buildings and cities. Now, you may be wondering why spatial literacy is vital. Well, it turns out that understanding the space around us is crucial for many aspects of our lives, from navigating our environment to understanding scientific concepts. According to Goodchilds 2006, spatial literacy encompasses a broad range of perspectives, knowledge, skills, and habits of minds or dispositions. To add, Moore Russell et al. 2013 proposed that being spatially literate requires the following. First, the ability to visualize spatial objects. Second is the ability to reason about properties of and relationships between spatial objects. The third, the ability to send and receive communication about spatial objects and relationships. Visualization is the process of generating cognitive representations of spatial objects through visual images. Reasoning, on the other hand, is the process of arriving at conclusions or making decisions, comparing, analyzing, or organizing. These are examples of processes involved in reasoning. The following would be communication. It is the information exchange procedure conducted through interaction with others. It is essential to note that for communication regarding spatial literacy to take place effectively, key terms and vocabulary among speakers and receivers need to be at the same length so the information can be transmitted accurately and clearly. Next, let's consider this. Why is spatial literacy so important? Spatial literacy is required in a wide range of professions and industries, from architecture, engineering, to air traffic control, medicine, and the arts. For one, it plays a crucial role in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and maths fields. Engineers, architects, and scientists all need to be able to think and reason spatially in order to do their jobs effectively. They need to have strong spatial literacy skills so that they can design and construct buildings that are safe and functional. Likewise, scientists use spatial literacy to understand complex phenomena such as weather patterns, ocean currents, and the movements of celestial bodies. In fact, some researchers argue that spatial literacy is just as important as reading and writing skills in today's world. A three-part framework was proposed in the National Research Council study in 2006, considering the components of spatial thinking. They are: number one, concepts of space; number two, tools of representation; number three, processes of reasoning. For a person to think spatially, he or she needs to develop an understanding of spatial concepts like direction, distance, and interpreting graphic representations. It will then be refined into the ability to model the world through space, both actual and imagined. A typology of spatial thinking emerged from the process of establishing spatial literacy. The first is spatial thinking. Activities that take place in space, such as playing badminton or arranging books on shelf, require spatial thinking in the environmental context. Other examples are when we navigate between home and school, or when we organize things. These are the activities or situations that we might call thinking in physical space. Next, we have the thinking about space. It refers to the activities in which a person learns about factual information organized as facts and generalizations about how the world works. And the final one is more abstract but effective, called thinking with space. The activities of using space to organize frameworks, understanding the problem, and deciding on a solution are categorized under this domain. So, how can we improve our spatial literacy skills? There are several ways to do this. One is to practice using maps and diagrams in everyday life, whether that means using a GPS to navigate while driving or studying a subway map to plan your commute. These are an example of how you can activate the imagination and computation in the minds and relate to the actual world. Another way to improve spatial literacy is to engage in activities that challenge your spatial reasoning skills. For example, playing video games that involve navigation and strategy to think spatially. Finally, it is essential to note that spatial literacy is more than just individual abilities. It also contributes to social justice and equity. We can work to create more inclusive and equitable environments for everyone if we understand the importance of spatial literacy. What about the challenges when it comes to spatial literacy? Great question. Let's talk about some of the challenges that can arise. One issue is that not everyone has equal access to resources that can aid in the development of spatial literacy skills. For instance, schools in low income communities may not have the same resources as schools in wealthier areas. This will limit students' opportunities to learn and practice spatial reasoning skills. Another issue is that Some people may simply struggle with spatial reasoning, just as they do with reading or math. However, just as we can work to accommodate different learning styles, we can also look for ways to help people with weaker spatial reasoning skills to develop stronger abilities. In conclusion, while spatial literacy is an important skill that can have many benefits, there are also challenges to develop and maintain strong spatial reasoning abilities. By working to address these challenges, we can help to ensure everyone has the opportunity to develop strong spatial literacy skills, to create more inclusive and accessible environments for all. By understanding and improving our spatial literacy skills, we can better navigate our surroundings, create safer and more functional environments, and contribute to a more equitable society. Thank you for watching today's video on spatial literacy. Hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.